All right, this is number 11 from the Circle ACT assignment, and we're consuming, that's a lot of sugar, by the way, but I shouldn't make fun of it. I was just eating a fun dip that Mr. Schultenberg gave me, so I'm eating a little bit of sugar here, but they're going to lower it by at least 20%. So honestly, the way I would do this is I would take this pounds of sugar and just multiply it by 20% as a decimal. So if we do that on a calculator, okay, we get something like 13.5 pounds. That's how much they're going to drop by. So I'm going to do 67.5 minus 13.5. So that gives us 454. Okay, so they want that, so they're going to lower it by that. So this would be then the max that they're going to eat. They're going to go down at least 20%. So they're going to drop at least 13.5 pounds. Okay, so that means what is the maximum number of pounds of sugar? So the max they would do is 54 pounds per year. Okay, hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.